Hey guys, welcome back to NextGen Blogger, and in this video I want to talk about how you can create dotted strokes in GIMP. Now before we see how you can create dotted strokes, let's just first talk about how you can create a general stroke, because if you actually just go to tools and if you go to selection tools, we have the rectangle select selection tool and we have the ellipse select selection tool. So let me just click on rectangle select selection tool and let me just draw a rectangle selection on top of my image. Now the thing is, GIMP does not have individual shapes for your use. Like in MS Paint, you get individual shapes which you can drag and drop and use in your image. But GIMP does not have that feature. So it becomes difficult to create shapes in GIMP. As you can see, we have the rectangle select selection tool and we have the ellipse select selection tool. But these are just selection. They don't create individual rectangles or individual circles. But thankfully there is another option in GIMP which will which helps in creating shapes from this selection. So if you actually just go to edit and if you select this option right here which says stroke selection, and inside stroke selection expand this option right here which says line style. And as you can see, the dash preset is currently set to custom. So click on this drop down list and select line. And let me just now click on this option which says stroke. I've successfully created a rectangle from this rectangle selection. So if I actually just drag down my selection, as you can see, I've successfully created a rectangle from this rectangle selection. And it's pretty much the same with ellipse select as well. Using the ellipse select selection tool, you can create a circle. So if I just go to tools, if I just go to selection tools, if I just click on ellipse select, and if I just draw a circle, it's pretty much the same process. Let me just go to edit. Let me just select this option right here which says stroke selection. Let me just expand this option which is line style, and in the dash preset let me just select line and let me just click on stroke. And as you can see, I've successfully created a circle as well. So using the stroke selection option, you can create these general strokes to form a circle or a rectangle. If you can create a rectangle, you can by default create a square as well. So this is how you actually create a general stroke. Now dotted strokes are a little bit different. So if I just quickly undo all this thing, and let me just now go to tools, selection tools, and let me just click on rectangle select, and let me just now create a square. Now dotted strokes process is same, you just need to select different preset. So I have successfully created a square selection, and now let me just go to edit. Let me just select stroke selection and let me just expand line style, and in the dash preset let me just click on this drop down list. And as you can see, we have different dash presets available which we can use according to our need. So as you can see, we have normal dots, we have dense dots, we have stipples. So let me just select normal dots and let me just click on this option which is called stroke. And now if I just drag my selection, as you can see, I've successfully created a dotted stroke. And let me just now select another dotted stroke. So let me just go to edit. Let me just select stroke selection. Let me just expand line style, and let me just change this from normal dots to dense dots, and let me just click on stroke. And as you can see, these dots are different from these dots. And let me just now try some other dot. So let me just go to edit, let me just select stroke selection, let me just expand line style, and let me just click on this drop down list right here, and let me just select this option which says dash dot, and let me just click on stroke. So as you can see guys, this is how you can create dotted strokes in GIMP. Use the selection tools to create a selection first, and then go to edit, go to stroke selection, expand the line style option, and select a dash preset, any dash preset according to your choice, and simply click on stroke. That's it. So that's it guys. Do share with me your thoughts in the comment section below. Like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will again see you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.